this tutorial, I will show you how to create a glowing text effect. Select the type tool and type your text. Then adjust the font, size, and other settings using the Essential Graphics panel on the right. Just make sure the text color is set to white. Now go to the Effects panel and search for Drop Shadow. Then drag and drop it onto the text layer. Set the shadow color to white, distance to 0, and softness to 10. Then duplicate the drop shadow by pressing Ctrl C and paste it with Ctrl V. And set the softness to 50. Then duplicate it again and increase the softness to 100. Repeat the process setting the softness to 300, then 500, and finally to 1000. After that, search for tint in the Effects panel and apply it to the text layer. Then change the white color to any color you want to customize the glow. Now if you want to save it as a preset, click each of them while holding Ctrl. Then right-click on one of them and select Save Preset. Give it a name, then delete your current effects. Find the preset you just saved and simply apply it. And that's it! You now have a glowing text effect. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time!